Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and who doesn't love breakfast in bed? This gorgeous tray is from DRELIFAM. It's made of acacia wood. I just love the wood grain on this. It is so beautiful. It's really nicely finished, very smooth. Now the best part is that it's multi-purpose. So I've used it on my coffee bar, but it's also perfect for eating in bed and breakfast in bed, or maybe even working on the couch. I use this a lot to put my laptop on, and I find it super convenient. So it's a really nice size. It holds up to a 16-inch laptop, which is perfect for me. It also has the nice sides. It has a nice anti-slip mat, which not only makes it so that it's very easy to clean up and wipeable, but it also prevents your things from sliding around. It has a very soft cushion, so perfect for resting on your lap, but it is removable. It also has this handy little holder for your cell phone or your tablet. Overall, I think this is a really awesome choice. It's a high quality tray, it looks beautiful, super functional to use in all sorts of scenarios, and I think you will absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.